Hi, in this lecture, we talk about how we determine the structures in our organizations and how these structures impact outcomes for our employees and the organizations themselves. There is a point and counterpoint to the debate. On the one hand, formal organizational structures are giving way to flatter, less bureaucratic, less formal structures. And that's a good thing. Innovative companies like Apple, Google, Facebook, Twitter, Amazon were born and now thrive thanks not to a multi layered bureaucracy, but to an innovative idea that was creatively executed by a flexible group of people freely collaborating. Management in those companies exists to facilitate rather than control. But on the other hand, there's the view that no matter what, management structure is needed in an ever changing, diverse, worldwide marketplace. You might be wondering what is the relevance of organizational structure to organizational behavior? Isn't this more of a strategy issue? Well, yes, organizational structure is relevant to strategy, but it's also highly relevant to organizational behavior. Because if you think about it, everything that we talk about in this course deals with how people behave in different situations. And we talk a lot about contextual factors and contingency variables. And structure is one of those contingency variables. Organizational structure is the core of what coordinates, controls, and motivates employees to cooperate toward the attainment of organizational goals. When the organizational structure is aligned with organizational needs, it results in greater organizational efficiencies and less conflict. An organizational chart is a diagram of the chain of command and reporting relationships in a company. As organizations grow, they often create multiple organizational charts for each major division or functional area. In addition to illustrating the chain of command, organizational charts show the division of labor, also known as work specialization, which reflects the degree to which employees specialize or perform a variety of tasks as generalists. The number of people reporting directly to an individual is that person's span of control. When an organization creates a hierarchy, it outlines supervision relationships by giving some employees authority over others. Centralized organizations concentrate power and decision making authority at higher levels of the organization. In decentralized organizations, the authority for making decisions affecting an organization is distributed. Formalization, on the other hand, refers to the degree to which jobs within the organization are standardized. Departmentalization, on the other hand, refers to the basis by which jobs are grouped together so that common tasks can be coordinated. Is it by function, by product, geography, customer? The forces that dictate organizational structure are strategy, organizational size, technology, and the environment. Now, organizational structure also has many determinants and outcomes, as shown on this slide. When it comes to models of organizational design, we can usually distinguish between the mechanistic model, which refers to the bureaucracy and highly standardized processes, versus the organic model, which is relatively flat, has fewer formal procedures for making decisions, and favors flexible practices. Now for the exercise, a group exercise for this topic. You are to choose any one Philippine company, and you meet in your case groups and then answer the questions as a group. The questions are: what are the company's mission and corporate goals? What kind of organizational structure does the company have? What is the company's approach to managing its structure? For example, speak a little bit about its approach to centralization versus decentralization, delegation, formalization, etc. You may be able to infer much of the information from the company website and or the annual reports. Good luck, enjoy. Thank you.